Hello and welcome to our video on the biography of Shakib Al Hasan, one of the greatest all-rounder in the history of cricket. In this video, we will take a closer look at the life and career of Shakib Al Hasan. Shakib Al Hasan was born on March 24, 1987, in Magura, Bangladesh. He was interested in cricket from an early age and began playing at the age of 6. He grew up in a small village and had to travel long distance to practice and play matches. Shakib made his debut for the Bangladesh national cricket team in 2006 and quickly established himself as one of the most talented players in the squad. He is a left-handed batsman and a slow left-arm orthodox bowler. Shakib has played in all formats of the game including Test cricket, One-Day internationals and T20 matches. Shakib has achieved many milestones in his cricket career. He is the only player to have scored 5,000 runs and taken 250 wickets in both ODI and T20 cricket. He has also been named the ICC ODI Player of the Year twice, in the only cricketer from Bangladesh to have been named in the ICC World Test 11. Shakib has also had his fair share of controversy. In 2014, he was suspended for 6 months for misbehaving with a spectator during a domestic match. He was also banned for 2 years in 2019 for not reporting a corrupted approach to the ICC anti-corruption unit. Shakib is married to Ahmed Shishir and the couple has 2 children. He is known for his philanthropic work and has set up a foundation to provide assistance to underprivileged children in Bangladesh. Shakib Al Hasan is one of the greatest all-rounder in the history of cricket. His achievements on the field have made him a hero in his home country of Bangladesh. However, he has also faced his fair share of controversies. Despite that, he remains one of the most talented and respected cricketers in the world.